Hello student, this is SST period and in previous video we discussed about the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization and also discussed the river valley civilization, and in that the town planning, use of back-bricked, well-planned house, drainage system are already discussed. Today we discuss about the Great Bath. The Great Bath is also a particular specialized feature in Mohenjo-daro. The plastered coated side wall were watertight due to the leakage of water that prohibit the leakage of the water, and also a drainage system also follow. Archaeologists believe that the tank was probably used for ritual bathing during religious function. This is the structure of Great Bath in Mohenjo-daro. Now we discuss about the granaries. Granaries, a big area of food grains in Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, and here found blackened and charred grains. It means that there is the storage, big granaries, and you know that in this time in Harappan people were also pay the tax in form of grains. It means that they have sufficient amount of grain. Now, life of the people and the economic and activity and occupation. Occupation is related to craft work, just like pottery making, metal work, and jewelry formation. Jewelry formation just like silver and gold both. Beads making, you also know that with the help of beads and metal form a special type of ornaments. And terracotta, backed clay और terracotta, जब हम मिट्टी को पका देते हैं तो दैट इज उसका जो सुनहरा जो कलर होता है पका हुआ मिट्टी का, दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड टेराकोटा. सील इज अनदर स्पेशल कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ दिस सिविलाइजेशन. सील दैट इज हिंदी में अगर कहेंगे तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे उसको, मुहर. इसका इस्तेमाल भी ये लोग करते थे और किसका बना हुआ होता था, बर्न क्ले का बना हुआ होता था या फिर टेराकोटा का बना हुआ होता था. Generally, probably they were used to merchant and traders to stamp their goods. आज के समय में भी मोहर का इस्तेमाल जो है वो सिक्योरिटी के लिए, गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिस के लिए, चुनाव के चिन्ह के लिए इन सब का इस्तेमाल होता है. नाउ कॉटन वीविंग. कॉटन वीविंग वाज ऑल्सो practice spindle holes in spin thread that been we found in some of the Harappan sites. And trade in Harappan civilization, Harappans were used to Rajasthan and copper. Rajasthan people use copper even from the Oman in West Asia. Tin, which is blended with copper to get bronze, was brought from Afghanistan and Iran. Gold was brought from Karnataka and precious stone from Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Okay, and this even the structure of dockyard. You know that dockyard? A dockyard has been found in Lothal, where boat and ship come in from the sea and through the river channel. Perhaps goods were loaded and unloaded here. Okay. Harappan side includes wheat, barley, lentils, seams, and millets have been found from the site of Gujarat. Millets, jowar, bajra. Food production. Farmers living in village and had to grow a lot of crop to supply food to the city dwellers. Types of food: wheat, barley, pulse, peas, rice, seams, linen and mustard. And a toy model of the plug found in several sites suggests that Harappan must use plug for फार्मिंग, हल का इस्तेमाल करते थे वो खेती के लिए. वेल इरिगेटेड सिस्टम ऑल्सो फाउंड in the field of their agriculture field. Animal bones found at Harappan site include those cattle, sheep, goat. These are domesticated animals. Then now the administration system. Administration system is based on the rich merchant, and you know that perished king. Archaeologists have labeled as perished king, so the perished play an important role in making the administration of the city. A variety of tasks such as regulation of trade, collection of tax, maintenance of law and order was looked after the administration. Social classes that divided into the ruling classes, the producing classes and the class of labor and peasants. These are divided into three parts. Entertainment are also seen in many toys such as small clay, craft, animal, figure, marbles. These are also an example of entertainment. Many terracotta toys have been found during the excavation of Harappan site. This means they also use entertainment. And now terracotta toys, script, some Harappan script, but now today we don't decodified these script. That is, these scripts, however, the script had not been disappeared. As a result, we have limited information regarding to civilization, religious, especially for Hinduism and Mother Goddess. You know that Mother Goddess? This is the statue of the Mother Goddess. And what is the reason for decline of the civilization? Some people may hope that due to the decline of river, deforestation and attack of Aryans. Another belief is that the decline was due to natural climate like earthquake, floods, drought and epidemics. You know that epidemics, Mahamari. Okay, in next video we discuss the question answer of this chapter. Thank you.